Who's that guru that always goes like this with this kind of a Tati? Tati and her Jamie face roller. Hi everyone and welcome back to Linda Libra Loca, your place to be if you're looking for beauty advice, not only for, but with an emphasis on more mature skin. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, subscribe so you don't miss any further content, and yeah, tell me in the comments below if you have any experience with jade rollers or general crystal facial rollers, because this is the topic we're going to talk about today. We're going to cover where the trend comes from, what you need to watch out for if you buy one of these, what the claims are, and what the science behind it says, both hard facts and, yeah, the in-between. First of all, the use of crystals in skincare and beauty treatments dates back quite a long while. People claim that it comes from 7th century China, where the stone jade, or Jade in Germany, is actually the secret fountain of youth and is associated with beauty and grace and used in beauty treatments. The use of rose quartz in beauty is dated to ancient Egypt. It has become increasingly popular, both with an increase in popularity in crystal healing as part of alternative medicinal treatments, and because of Instagram and people like Alicia Keys or Miranda Kerr who share these as part of their beautifying regime. And quite honestly, who doesn't want to look like Miranda Kerr? If you decide to purchase one of these, it's very important to know that there are different kinds of rollers with different stones, and all of these claim to do different things. So jade is associated with healing, combating saggy skin, improving collagen production, which is totally what people like me, more mature skin, would aim for, while rose quartz is more for the emotional healing, self-love, self-care. Obsidian claims to purify the energies and help with acne. As always, the increase in popularity means that there are a lot of different options on the market, not only regarding different stones, but also rollers that claim to be jade but are really cheap and quite often aren't really jade, but are other stones that have been chemically treated to look and act like jade. And that is potentially dangerous because depending on the source, you don't know what kind of chemicals you're rolling over your face. So if you decide that you want to go on board with this trend, I think it's wise to invest a little more and do your research that you get your roller from a good source. Another thing you need to know is that these stones are not to be confused with gua sha, which is a different kind of stone therapy, but this is a flat stone where you scrape your skin for gentle exfoliation and increase in blood flow. I personally haven't tried one of these, but they're different than these ones. But now to the most important topic. What do they claim to do? Why should you sit there and roller your face with something that looks like a ball? The claims are they promote blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, tone the skin and facial muscles, diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve the skin's elasticity, diminish the look of pores, brighten the skin, help with product absorption, reduce acne, reduce rosacea, and draw out negative energy. These are quite a lot of claims, but now let's look at what they actually do scientifically proven. The things that you can actually measure in effect is that they, similar to a facial massage, improve circulation, thus increase lymphatic drainage, thus can help with puffiness, and through this mechanism probably plump the skin a little and improve the appearance of fine line and wrinkle. There is no evidence that they help with acne, rosacea. I don't even know how you measure the drawing out of negative energies. They don't brighten, they don't increase collagen production. Nothing of these claims is scientifically proven true. Now let's take a step away from the hard, measurable scientific facts and look what other claims there are. And I'm just going to present them. I'm not going to judge. This is for you to judge if you believe this or not. Crystal healing has been increasing in popularity over the last 30-40 years. And the claims behind that is that crystals hold a certain form of energy, their energy body. And they have certain vibrations that you can measure. Claim is that this vibration, if you hold the crystal, place it on your body, something like that, can adjust the vibrations of your own body so you absorb the energy of the crystal. As we said, rose quartz self-healing or self-love. If you roll your face with that, you get more acceptance for yourself. And if you put mechanical stress on something like a crystal, it reacts with electric polarization. This is called piezo electricity and is used widely in your electronics. So this could be the explanation for crystal healing. I just want to pose a few questions. I'm not sure if this is enough mechanical stress for a nearly indestructible crystal to charge it with electric energy. And I'm not sure if I look at my energetic body and my vibrations or aura or electromagnetic field or however you want to call it, if this can ever be enough or powerful enough to actually change mine, because yeah. Also, it's important to know you can't just put that one in the fridge and then get it back out and use the energetic healing properties. If you want to look into crystal healing, there are a lot of rules and I read them up. So if you use this one, it will transfer its energy, but it needs to be recharged. And to recharge it, you have to put it in salt for a certain period of time to absorb any negative energies and then put it out in the moonlight to be recharged. So if you want the crystal healing properties, this is how you need to treat your stones. If you just want the facial massage and the increase in blood flow, you can just cleanse it with soap and water and let it dry. I'll leave it up to you whether or not you think the crystal healing benefits are there. What I can say is I never would have purchased them myself because I thought it was juju. I got them in a gift with purchase. I really enjoy using them every once in a while just to roll over my face because they're cooling, because they're just nice. It feels like a spa. It's relaxing. And all of us can do with increased blood flow and reduction of puffiness, especially around the eyes, which is why I use the rose quartz one, which is smaller, a lot more. If this helps increase my self-love, I'm not complaining. If it doesn't, still is fun. Do you absolutely need them in your skincare regime? I don't think so. And that's it. I'm curious to know if you have any experience with crystal healing or crystals, facial rollers, anything like that. Tell me in the comments below, and I'm going to see you all very soon with another video. Bye.